Excuse me. Ongke? Ongke, ongke?
Sino nag-ano-ano dyan? Ay, sorry. Ito. Sorry. Ikaw pala yun. It's my...
Access port near Purok 5.
Gulat ka! Magpapasok ka ba?
May nakain. May nagsasayaw. May palakang. May palakang nagtatampo.
Excuse me, can I sit here?
Huh?
Can I sit here?
English? No, English. No English. No English. No
What
English.
country?
Country? You. Philippine. No, Philippine. No,
You,
Philippine.
what country you?
Sa summer ako ate.